Okay, hello, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahmat Dwi Prasetyo, and the name 11 21 91 31. I will present how to operate the Paint application. The Paint application functions to perform simple image data processing. As well, the default Windows operating system. Of course, the facilities in it are very limited. Unlike other programs such as Corel Draw and Adobe Photoshop, but programs can also process images, but the facilities are very complete. What are the functions that can be obtained from the Paint application itself? The first is can draw freely without limitation. Second, can edit photo and image. And third, can make various simple design. There is quite a bit that I can say about the part of its function. Okay, without further, let's go to the next stage, namely how to operate the Paint application. Okay, the first is how to open the application. Step number 1, open the Start menu, click the Windows logo in the lower left corner of the screen. Step number 2, type Paint. The computer will look for the Paint application afterward. Step number 3, look for the Paint application icon on the Start menu, which looks like a paint palette with paint on it, and click the Paint application. This will open a new Paint window. Next steps, to draw and erase in Paint application. Step number 1, look at the toolbar that appears. The toolbar at the top of the Paint window contains all the options used for interacting with the Paint canvas. Step number 2, choose a color. Click a color in the palette that suits you by clicking the Edit Color option at the top of the window, selecting the color and who you want to use. Step number 3, choose a brush type. The brushes option at the top of the Paint window. Then select the type of brush tip you want to use. This option will affect the line size, width, and can also use these shapes usually used to make logo designs. Okay. Step number 4, determine the line thickness. Click the size option on the left side of the color palette. Then click the line thickness you want to use when drawing. Okay. Step number 5, click and drag the cursor on the canvas to draw. Hold down the left mouse button while moving the cursor to make a line. And whatever you drawing, whatever you want to drawing. And step number 6, fill the segment with color. Click the Fill with Color tool with an icon that resembles bucket in the tool section. This. Okay. Step number 7. Eraser. Any mistake on the canvas. You can use the eraser function or feature by clicking on the pink eraser icon in the tools section. Then clicking and dragging the eraser on the part of the image you want to erase. Okay, that's all. If there is wrong word, I apologize. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.